To automatically adjust media volume when driving mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap add action. Tap sound and vibration. Tap media volume. Here you can set the media volume level when it's played with the phone speaker, wired headphone, and Bluetooth audio. As the example, we will set the phone speaker to 40%, wired headphone to 50%, and Bluetooth audio to 35%. Tap done button and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the driving mode is active and you play media such as song, then your phone will automatically adjust the media volume level to 40% while you are listening through your phone speaker, 50% when you are listening through your wired headphone, and 35% when you are listening through the Bluetooth audio. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.